team. I'm still at the hostel. And this is what I woke up to. Try not to get wet here. But this is the outside of the hostel. On a fridge. Quick little tour while everybody's sleeping. I'll show you the sign once I leave. Just up there, but I don't want to go in the rain. It's cold rain. And I'll show you a little bit of the inside. Restrooms, coffee. Pretty cool carving. This is the communal kitchen. Anything that's not labeled you can have. And all these doors are to the private rooms. I stay in the bunk room, which is all the way at the end, and I'm not gonna go in there. But this is the hiker box. That's the stuff I really don't need. And loaner clothing. And that's the bunk rooms. Check out the cutest cards I found. I think I like this one. Don't fall off the mountain. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, it's adorable. I'm sure some local students here, so you don't get confused. That's a rock right there.
There was a shelter.
Oh my god. I am back on the trail. That's the front of the hostel. I forgot to take video, but that's what it looks like. And now I'm heading over to the diner for a good breakfast. So hopefully I don't have to stop for lunch, or maybe just have a snack. And the goal is to go 11 miles in this wet, lovely weather. Rain is supposed to stop around 10. So I'm only gonna be hiking in the rain just a little bit. And even now it has pretty much dried out, but I still have my umbrella and rain gear just in case. All right, let's go have some breakfast. Oh wow, this is really cool mural. Check this out. This is cool. Well, team, I had a really amazing breakfast. I had chicken and waffles, which is one of my favorite breakfasts because I don't eat eggs. I am walking the AT right now, and this is what the AT looks like. It is the town, and I am being guided by this right here. These really cool tiles are showing me the way to where I need to go. Here comes another one. Yep. So yeah, Hot Spring is one of those towns where the AT goes right through town. It's one of the many towns. There's more towns like this coming up. But right now I am walking. I need to stop by the Outfitters to try to get some ramen noodles because it's gonna take me about 5 days to get to Irwin, and I'm afraid I'm gonna run out of food. So I'll probably grab a handful of protein bars and 2 packs of ramen noodles, so I have at least 5 complete dinners. to make it to Irwin. And once I make it to Irwin, I will zero. Well-deserved zero, because I'm gonna be past 300 miles, which is coming up. That's exciting. All right, team. Once I get up, out of town, hopefully the rain will stop, and I'll make it to camp. Man, I feel sluggish after that breakfast. See you in a bit. Everything is like right on town. It's pretty cool. And hopefully the Outfitters is open. Let's check it out. Just walking by a roaring river. This is my view at Hot Springs. All right, confession time. I am struggling today. I didn't sleep very good last night because the hostel was packed, like I mentioned before. And I don't mind the rain so much, but it's hot, humid, and I'm sweating a lot, and I cannot get into a rhythm. Usually on the uphills, because it's all uphill, right, because I'm leaving town, I get into a rhythm, and every so often I pause and then continue. I just can't seem to find it today. I know part of it is because I'm tired, and it could be that I had a big breakfast. I'm not used to having a big breakfast, but I was thinking more energy, right? But I don't know, I can't get going. I don't like this feeling. It's gonna be okay though. I know it is. I mean, it just sucks right now. Still want to be here. It has nothing to do with that. It's just, I'm just struggling to get going this morning. And also I started late. I don't know if I'm just making excuses, but it's just, the bottom line is that my body's just not wanting to go. Oh my God. Okay. Whew. I'm hoping that once it stops raining, I can put my umbrella away and maybe shed a couple layers. I won't feel so hot, and I can just, feel a little bit better. But, whew. Oh, I haven't felt like this whole time. I mean, there's been times where it just like sucks, but today my body's like, nope, not today. Oh, okay. And I need to make this because I'm zeroing at Irwin. That's my motivation. Okay, team. We can do this. We got this. I just came up into this all damn pond. That's all the description I got. But it smells terrible. And yes, it's still raining. And yes, I'm still hiking. But I'm starting to feel a little better. I'm going super slow because I don't want to fall. But I actually put some music on. And I've been listening to music. This is the second time I have listened to music on the trail. The first time was when I was having all those feet problems that I was trying not to think about them. And today, because I need to make it to my destination no matter what. So I'm just listening to music and letting that cheer me up. But I am better. I'm not as sluggish as I was earlier. I am going like very slow today, but I'm okay with that. Not complaining here, just taking it all in and just enjoying the rain, just embracing it. That's all I can do. But yeah, this was unexpected. Pretty cool. And there's a few benches too. I do wish I would have worn my rain pants because the bottom of my pants are wet, but that's okay. Because tomorrow's supposed to be hot, so I'll be taking the bottoms off anyways. So it's gonna be okay. Alrighty, I guess I'll be going up those stairs into the clearing. I'll see you up there. I climbed up from that clearing and this looks really cool. The video's not really showing you how cool it looks. Something out of like, I don't know, like a horror movie. I know this is not the first time I made horror movies references, but I think I'm going the right way. I mean, I see the white blazes, but I'm just going through this soupy, sandy mush. Okay, let me check my map. I'll be right back. I am going the right way, so I'll just keep going up this way and see where it takes me. Oh, I'm glad that I'm feeling better. Not gonna lie, because I would have been like, I don't want to say upset if I encountered this craziness, but that would have tipped me over. Oh, the AT. What many surprises. This is the situation here in my tent. It is wet. It rained all day. And I'm just trying to stay dry. My pant legs are so wet. It's gonna suck tomorrow. But more about that in a little bit. Need to finish my dinner. The sun decided to come out for a little bit. And I am drying up my stuff here on top of the shelter. I don't know how dry it's gonna get, but this is the situation right now. And here is my tent. Hey team. I'm gonna do this really short because there's barking dogs. There's 2 dogs here at the shelter. This morning sucked. I was just really struggling to get going, but I mean, once I got going, I was okay. It just rained all day and everything got wet, my pants, shoes, socks, and everything. So, but I was able to set up my tent in just a little bit of drizzle. So the inside is dry, but let me turn this around. I don't know if you can see, but it's still wet on the outside. So I'm hoping that it's dry by the morning, so when I pack it, it's not too terribly bad. The sun came out for a little bit, so I was able to put my stuff outside for like maybe half an hour. Not long, so it's still wet, and tomorrow I'll be wearing wet socks and wet shoes, right? That's just part of the AT, and you just embrace it and adapt and overcome, and tomorrow will be a new day. So overall, I mean, I did struggle, but it's part of the adventure, it's part of the journey. It's making me stronger and better. And I'll be able to, I don't know, do better next time it rains. I don't know, which is supposed to rain on Thursday. So, all right. That's all I have for today. Tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully a sunny day. Everybody have a good evening, and I'll see you in the morning.